Watch this episode of Gear Matters for a few important tips that can help you mount your motorcycle tailbag correctly every single time. This is what a well-mounted tailbag looks like. Well balanced, side to side as well as front to back. Securely held in place with no noticeable movement in any direction and with no loose straps or dangling parts. Just as you would try to balance the weight between saddlebags on either side of a motorcycle, it's a good idea to try and keep the weight within a tailbag balanced from side to side. Placing heavier items centrally and towards the bottom can also help make the bag more stable. When mounting the tailbag onto your motorcycle, make sure it is positioned centrally with equal extensions on either side. Also, try to ensure that the base of the bag is on a flat and even surface. Identify secure mounting points on the frame, the pillion grab handles or the tail rack to attach the mounting straps of the tailbag. Do not secure these straps onto plastic or less durable components since they may not have the sufficient load bearing capabilities. Watch the mounting instructions video for the specific tailbag that you are using to identify the best suited mounting points and position for the system and straps that it uses. Tighten the mounting straps partially. Pause to check that the tailbag is still correctly positioned and balanced. Make adjustments if necessary and then proceed to tighten the straps fully. Shake the bag a bit to check that there is no movement in either direction, front or side to side. Tow away and secure all loose straps and ends, including mounting and carrying straps. Also, do a quick check to ensure that all compartments of the tailbag are securely closed. If you use the waterproof cover as a dust cover or as a rain cover, ensure that it is properly installed and secured so that it does not flap or come loose while you are riding. Remember to periodically check the mounting of your tailbag during the ride and make adjustments if required along the way. If you loosen any strap to access any of the compartments, remember to take a few minutes to restore the same level of tensioning and safe mounting before you resume your ride. At Viaterra, we do offer repair services for our luggage at a very nominal cost, helping you keep your gear in top shape. Write to us at contactus@viaterragear.com for more information on the same. Do let us know what you think about the video in the comment section below.